Mr. President Zuma. It is such a pleasure to meet you again and to see you from my personal side. It's an honor for all of us that you are here today, and we are humbled by this occasion and also the time that you are sacrificing to be here. I just want to tell everybody, and I was at Nkandla the first time that Louis Liebenberg came to see you, Mr. President, and you said one sentence which has remained with me in my heart, and you told, I'm just going to call it Louis because you are friends, Mr. President. You told Louis, never forget where you came from. And those words are still remain with me. And that is why I want to share it with everybody that is present. Mr. President, they are mostly Afrikaans speaking. Dit wat ek nou aan julle vertel, ek was self daar en dit was die president se woorde. En ek het die president ervaar as 'n menspersoon. Iemand wat kyk na die hart van die individu. Nie 'n koue politikus. Nou, Mr. President, if I can say, I experienced you as a person of the people, a person that looks at the individual, not a cold politician. Because I am sure, Mr. President, you will agree that politics can be a very cold place with very cold people around you. So we are really honored, Mr. President, and if I may, normally I would ask to approach the bench or approach. I don't know how I'm supposed to call you to the podium and to say a few words, but very welcome not only to you, to your entourage, to everybody that came, that support you and that are around you. We are honored to have you here. Thank you, Mr. President.